Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I know it's been a minute. It's been like a couple of months since I've done a songwriting video. Oh my gosh. Well, today we're gonna be doing a songwriting video, and the artist is SZA. Let's get into it. The overall vibe of like SZA's music is definitely like in your feelings. Sad girl music, toxic relationships, but it's also like super heartfelt, super relatable too. I feel like her songwriting is like literal freestyles that she puts together and makes a song, because to me, deep down in her spirit, she's a rapper. I feel like she's heavily influenced by rap, because I noticed like there's like very interesting syncopation in her verses. Like the verses of her songs are very much, it's giving rap, it's giving really wordy, it's giving really fast paced, it's giving very awkward, you know, like where it's like I can't even breathe to be able to get the whole line of words that she's giving you in one verse, you know. So I think that that's something that for me is going to be a challenge, because I kind of write in the opposite way. I give a lot of space and a lot of room to breathe. And like SZA's like really giving you these thought after thought after thought after thought. And it's like you're getting so much information in so many words, it's kind of hard to catch up with what she's saying. So I think that is going to be the challenge of trying to like channel how she writes her verse 1 and her verse 2. And because her verses are so complex, I feel like that's why she really gives you these very simplistic hooks. And then she'll have these moments in her verses where she'll like do these runs, like she'll throw in these runs at just the right point, at just the right time. And it's like super wordy, but she'll make sure she gives you a super fast run in the middle of the line, you know? So all of that I'm going to keep in mind when I'm writing this SZA inspired song. I guess from here, I'm just going to like really vibe with it and kind of see what I'm getting, you know? You make me wanna lose, you make me wanna choose, yeah. Ooh. Make me wanna lose, make me wanna choose you, yeah. It's sounding more like I'm leaning towards a hook before the verses, so let's work on that hook. That you make me wanna lose you. That you make me wanna lose. You make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. Make me wanna, no. And you make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I have to choose, it's you over everything. It's you over everything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. Fool for you. I'm too much. Okay, come on now. Where is it coming in? Let's do it. And you make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I have to choose, it's you over everything else. Doesn't go back to you. Such a fool for you. Okay, wait. Before we get into that again, I have to say, SZA sings in cursive. Like, she has her own accent and everything, how she sings. Please don't expect that from me, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. I'm gonna try, but I'm not a master at like mimicking voices. So unfortunately, you're probably not gonna get that specific SZA accent in this. So I'm just warning y'all now. Bring my diary with me for this session because I feel like we probably got some content in here. We got some ideas in here, okay? Side note, never date a songwriter because we will write a song about you. Like, for real though. Like, we will write a song about you. Let's see. So I think if I just write some words and then like use the SZA way of just kind of like freestyling the melodies, because I don't know if I'm just a good freestyler, just something coming out of my mouth. I don't know what would come out of my mouth, honestly. I don't want y'all to see that. I'm such a pretty little mess inside. Gotta put foundation on my heart, cover up my pride. I'm such a pretty little mess inside. Gotta put foundation on my heart, cover up my pride. I did my damage fucking around with you on the side. I did my damage fucking around with you on the side. Fucking up my perfect life. But the rewind gotta make you mine. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no decline. Shame for the side, I won't deny that you make me wanna lose. It's you or anything else, no one compares to you. Such a fool for you. Ooh, I would throw it all away for you. Ooh, I would throw it all away. Ooh, I would throw it all away for you. Ooh, I would throw it all away. So the song is about a girl who's infatuated with this guy, and I guess she already has somebody that's special in her life, but she likes this other guy so much that she would ruin the relationship she has with this other guy to be with this other guy, to be with this new guy. And she's saying she would fuck up her perfect life, and you know, she broke the rewind, so you can't hit the rewind button, you know, and now she got to make him mine. So you already, you know, in it now. She's telling me you already in it. And then she's like, you know, I'm ride or dying. I'm on a high. There's no declining. I don't have no shame. I put that to the side because you make me want to lose everything that I built up to this point for you. I'm such a fool for you, okay? And if I have to choose between you and him, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. Whew. It just hit my spirit, okay? It hit my spirit. So let's get into the second verse. So I'm just writing. So I kind of want to say, I took you straight, no chaser, got too drunk in this situation. I took you straight, no chaser, got too drunk in this. I took you straight, no chaser, got too drunk in this situation. I took you straight, no chaser, got too drunk in this situation. Looking crazy, got too sloppy, and I know my conscience won't stop me. Okay. Let's see how we're going to sing that. I took you straight, no chaser, got too drunk in. I took you straight, no chase. I got too drunk in this situation. Looking crazy, got too sloppy, and I know my conscience won't stop me. I took you straight, no chase. I got too. I took you straight, no chase. I got too drunk in this situation. I took you straight, no chase. I got too drunk in this situation. Looking crazy, got too sloppy, and I know my conscience won't stop me. I gotta get it what I want. I wouldn't want, wanna know. I took you, say no chase. I got too drunk in this situation. Looking crazy, got too sloppy, and I know my conscience won't stop me. Constant validation on my mind. If you showed up with your little bitch, that would blow my mind, it would blow my mind. Maybe I'm still a little too lazy for you, baby. Why can't you tell me that you're the better than we wrote a lot. Okay, so I wrote, maybe I'm just a little too, I don't know how I'm going to be able to use this, how I'm going to be able to sing this, but I wrote, maybe I'm just a little too insecure. Well, no. I wrote, maybe I'm just a little too thirsty, maybe just a little too insecure. It feels good to be wanted. Feels even better when I'm desired. I know that you will ruin my life. I still want to be your second wife. We're going to have to make that into a bomb-ass melody. You make me want to lose anything that I built up to this boy for you. Such a fool for you. If I had to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. I'm too thirsty, maybe just a little too insecure. It feels good to be wanted. Feels even better when I desire. I know that you will rule my life. You're right. I'm my life. So I can't do a post hook that ooh, throw it all away. We can just say that for the end. Maybe do some harmonies. Maybe I'm just a little too thirsty. Maybe I'm just a little too insecure. It feels good to be wanted. Feels even better when I'm desired. I know that you will ruin my life. I still wanna be your second wife. You make me wanna lose. Okay, let's just run through because this is like 2 hours. I'm tired. Okay. I'm such a pretty little mess inside. Gotta put foundation on my bride. I did my damn and fucking around with you on the side. Fucking up my perfect life. Broke the rewind, gotta make you mine. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Change but decide I won't deny it, won't deny it. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Change but decide I won't deny it. That you make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I have to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. I took you, say no chase. I got too drunk in this situation. Looking crazy, got too sloppy. And I know my conscience won't stop me. Constant validation on my mind. If you pulled up with a bad bitch, that would blow my mind. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Shame but decide I won't deny it, won't deny it. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Shame but decide I won't deny it. That you make me wanna lose. Maybe I'm just a little too thirsty. Maybe I'm just a little too insecure. It feels good to be wanted. Feels even better when I'm desired. I know you will be in my life, but I don't wanna be your fucking second wife. Ooh, I would throw it all away for you. Oh wait, forgot the hook. If I have to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a phobia. Okay, I messed that all up. But it's hard for me to remember everything in this session. But I'm gonna call that a session. I think we got it. So I really hope that this song like turns out well and that you guys love it. Even if you're not trying to do that, her style in particular, I do think being able to learn from other songwriters and like still like an artist is always a good skill to have. Sometimes you just want to take elements from other songwriters to make you a better songwriter. I love SZA, love the new album. Go out and listen to SOS if you have not already. Also stream my debut EP, Made For You. It's available everywhere, all streaming services, and on YouTube if you don't have a streaming service. And now the moment that you've been waiting for. This is my SZA type song. It is called Fool For You, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.
It's Ricci. I'm such a pretty little mess inside. Gotta put foundation on my heart, cover up my pride. I did my damage, fucking around with you on the side, fucking up my perfect life. Rewind, gotta make you mine. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Shame put aside, I won't deny it, won't deny it. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on the high with no declining. Shame put aside, I won't deny it. That you make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I had to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. I took you straight, no chaser. Got too drunk in this situation, looking crazy, got too sloppy, and I know my conscience won't stop me. Constant validation on my mind, on my mind. If you pulled up with a bad bitch, that would blow my mind, my mind. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on a high with no declining. Shame put aside, I won't deny it, won't deny it. I'm for the ride, I'm ride or dying. I'm on a high with no declining. Shame put aside, I won't deny it. That you make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I had to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you. Maybe I'm just a little too thirsty. Maybe I'm just a little too insecure. It feels good to be wanted. There's too much pain in my desires. I know that being with you would ruin my life, but running away with you would never ever be right. I'm just a little bit thirsty. I'm just a little too insecure. I'm such a fool for you. You make me wanna lose everything that I built up to this point for you. Such a fool for you. If I had to choose, it's you over anything else. No one compares to you. Such a fool for you.